So this is pretty interesting. This is the Yamaha MT-10, which is Yamaha Super Naked. 1000cc engine, about 160, is it? About 160, 170 horsepower and a lot of torque. And you do get the monoblock mounted calipers, so you've got lots of stopping power. And on the SP version, you get the high performance Olin shocks, Olin forks, very high performance. You get this particular colour on the wheels. I think you do get electronic suspension, so you can change the hardness of the forks if you want a softer ride or if you want a harder ride. Zipper clutch, so you can dump the clutch if you need to on downshifts. These are incredibly fast naked bikes. Love the anodized colour there, that's very Yamaha colour. On the SP model you also get the silver rear swing arm, that looks quite good. And this is a rapid bike. There's no wind protection, so you will get a lot of buffeting on this Super Naked, but then that's all a part of being a naked bike. Don't put any fairings on it or windscreen, it's absolutely pointless. If you're worried about wind protection, you look for a bike with fairings. On the SP model, you also get a slightly different seat and different stitching. You get this particular colour scheme, which looks really nice, and you do get things like cruise control. You do get a TFT as well. So wonderful Super Naked.